ductwork. It can be dangerous, so we want exercise safety, and our safety gloves and our safety glasses. All right, we got a round duct. Kind of like a little tongue groove in there. All it is just bend it in and it'll snap into place. Just like that. You want to see if we can take it apart? Yeah. All right. All we have to do is just throw it on the ground and it busts open. Just to try it out.
It's not going to change your size.
Supposed to film you.
Alright, all you have to do is just throw it on the floor and it just pop open. Okay? Like that.
Is your wife okay?
Okay. Thanks.
It keeps the troops happy.
Alright, let's go to the next one. We'll turn it off.
It's pretty good.
Thanks.
Alright, thanks, man.